Blink Twice Bunny, Deep Lyrics Analysis. Naranasan mo na bang magduda sa sarili mo? Yung parang gusto mo nang sumuko. Pero teka, paano kung may kantang magpapaalala na kaya mo yan? Let's break down Blink Twice, by Bunny. Overall theme at message. Blink Twice is more than just a song, it's an anthem of self-confidence and resilience. It tells us to push past our fears, ignore negativity, and believe in ourselves. The lyrics are packed with motivation, reminding us that we're never alone in our struggles. Finding inner strength. Pumikit sandali, huwag mong isipin na ikaw ay nag-iisa. Minsan, sa dami ng problema, parang mag-isa tayo. Pero minsan, ang kailangan lang natin ay sandali ng katahimikan para marinig ang sarili nating lakas. No, don't you cry, huwag ka munang mag-goodbye. A reminder to hold on, even when life gets tough. Taking control at owning the moment. If you're lost, just blink twice. This is the most powerful line in the song. Blink twice is like a secret code. It's a small action with a big meaning. It symbolizes calling for help or reminding yourself to refocus. Look up, move forward, we own the night. A strong declaration that you are in control of your destiny. The big turning point. Don't be afraid to shine, the world is yours tonight. Ito na ang pinaka-inspiring part ng kanta. Minsan, takot lang ang pumipigil sa ating mangarap. Pero paano kung bitawan natin yung takot na yon? Alam mo yung feeling na parang gusto mo nang sumuko. Blink Twice is here to remind you, hindi ka nag-iisa, at kaya mo to. So, sagot mo ba yan? Comment I'm ready, kung handa ka nang mag-shine. Ikaw, may moment ka bang na-overcome ang self-doubt? Share mo sa comments at sama-sama tayong magbigay ng good vibes.